Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, guys, I'm bringing you a very short video as I'm participating in a collaboration or challenge, and this one is hosted by Indie Annie Jones and Simply Becky D. All they wanted us to do was to create a patriotic vignette, and that's exactly what I've done. And I'm going to get a little closer and let you see what I came up with. Of course, I went with red, white, and blue. And, you know, I'm a glam girl, so of course I had to do it on my gold tray. But I did use the red, white, and blue elements. And I'll just do a quick walkthrough, show you what I came up with. So in the back, you see I have some red vases. I have the center vase filled with some white silk roses. Of course, I've got my flags displayed. Again, this is to be a patriotic vignette. And in the middle, you'll see I have my white and blue napkins. And, you know, what's more American than apples and apple pie? So I have my red and gold apples on top, and this is just a little red and white unity candle that I thought would be appropriate. Now, I used to have red and white as my primary colors, and of course that's kind of been removed from my color palette, but I was able to pull enough pieces together to put this vignette together. And you'll see I have some white pillar candles on the side. And everything's placed on top of my hat. I'm using actually my kitchen card here as my base. And you'll see I have some red placemats there. And again, I'm just using a gold tray that comes from another room. And that's really it, guys. I didn't have a lot. But you know what? With everything going on in our country right now, I definitely wanted to participate in this. Show my pride. We have to pull together. We're all Americans. So again, I want to thank Simply Becky D and Indie Annie Jones, I'm sorry, for challenging us to come up with a patriotic vignette. And that's all I have for you today. So again, if you will go down in my description box, I have put links down there to both of their channels. And if you don't subscribe to my channel, I hope you'll do that today. Again, I'm Candy, and this channel is DIY Design by CCW. And I thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you'll like, comment, share, all of that. And you know what? I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.